There are objects in the universe that don't just break records, they break understanding. For a long time, we believed we had already found the limit. A black hole so massive, so extreme, that nothing could surpass it. Its name was TON 618. A giant with a mass tens of billions of times greater than our Sun. A monster so vast, it redefined what we thought was possible. But we were wrong. Because far beyond our galaxy, far beyond what the human mind is comfortable imagining, there exists something even more unsettling. Deep in a distant region of the universe, inside a colossal gathering of galaxies, something sits at the center. You cannot see it directly. You only see what it does. Galaxies swirl faster. Light bends harder. Energy erupts across unimaginable distances. Something there is pulling everything inward. This is Phoenix A. To understand it, you have to let go of normal scale. Forget planets, forget stars, even galaxies begin to feel small. Because Phoenix A is not just another black hole. It belongs to a class so extreme that scientists had to rethink how such objects could even exist. Its mass is measured not in millions, not even billions, but approaching 100 billion suns combined into a single point of darkness. Now imagine the boundary around it, the event horizon, the point where escape becomes impossible. Not even light can return. For most black holes, this boundary is already enormous. But here, it stretches across distances so vast that entire planetary systems would vanish inside it without leaving a trace. If it replaced our Sun, everything you've ever known, every planet, every orbit, every distant comet, would be swallowed by darkness, silently and effortlessly. But the true mystery of Phoenix A is not just its size, it's its existence. Black holes grow by consuming matter, gas, stars, anything that gets too close. But there's a limit. Feed too fast and radiation pushes material away, a natural barrier, a cosmic speed limit. And yet, Phoenix A seems to have ignored that rule completely. Which leaves only unsettling possibilities. Maybe it didn't grow slowly. Maybe it was born large in the earliest moments of the universe, a flaw in space itself. Or maybe it became this way through something far more violent. Collisions, not of stars, but of black holes, over and over again across billions of years. Galaxies merging, cores collapsing, darkness consuming darkness until only one remained. A ruler formed through endless destruction. But here's where the story takes a turn. Because Phoenix A is not just a destroyer, it creates. From its poles, it launches jets of energy so powerful they tear across intergalactic space. These streams travel for millions of light years, heating gas, compressing it, forcing matter to collapse. And in that violence, stars are born. Hundreds of them every single year. While our own galaxy struggles to create even a few, this distant system is flooded with new light, all because of something that should only destroy. It is a contradiction, a cosmic paradox, a monster that builds. And one day, long after humanity is gone, long after every star you see tonight has faded, objects like this will remain. In a future where the universe grows cold, where galaxies drift apart into darkness, these giants will sit alone, silent and endless, slowly evaporating over timescales so vast they no longer make sense. When everything else disappears, they will be among the last things left. And maybe that's the most unsettling part of all. Because when we look at something like Phoenix A, we don't just see a black hole. We see scale beyond importance, power beyond control. A reminder that everything we fight over, everything we build, exists on a fraction of what reality truly is. And out there, in the silent depths of the cosmos, that reality doesn't notice us at all. And in the presence of something this vast, you begin to understand that the universe was never meant to be understood, only witnessed.